Ni mabura mwaka uyu magukungwira muthi wa madaraka kuria thirikari yeyumiritie gukinyiria Kenya makiria ngombo na njira ya raithi makiria Kenya ria muhuko muhuthu. Umuthi President Dagitari William Ruto ni aruguritie itena ria kerĩ ria uheani wa kigina kia Hustler Fund riu kigina giki gigitanywo kuguna aria mari grupu-ini na ikundi tiganite.
They only need a device, a little airtime and a few minutes, and they are all able to get money wherever they are. The Hustler Fund is going to deploy groups such as CIAMAs and SACCOs, overcome exclusion and barriers to participate in credit savings, social security, health insurance, and other socio-economic amenities.
Kuhitukira thimu ya guoko ikundi ici na ngurubu iria ciagiriire gukorwo na memba matanyihirie 10 riu iria mukagira ngombo cia gatagati ga ciringi 20,000 na ciringi mirioni 1 kigina kiria kiririhagio njoherera na gicunjĩ kia 7 harĩ 100 na kiricokagio na ihinda ritakiritie mwaka umwe.
The second product of the Hustler Fund will usher our unique collective-driven competitive market enterprise to the online domain.
Niguo kurehe waragania na utheri gatagati ka amemba ikundi ici ri mutambo uyu ni urikuruhanagia amemba othe riria ngombo iroyo niguo gutigirira kigina kiria gia kombo ni kiria kiiguithanirio.
I am sure that this will be very good news to my good friend Shiko in Ruaraka market, who like many informal business entrepreneurs were ready for this innovation even before we launched the first Hustler Fund product. Without a doubt, the Hustler Fund has been more than transformational. In fact, it is revolutionary.
Urugurio ni ugwetetwo gukorwo na kiguni kinene makiria hari onjoria nini riu President akiuga ni ihinda biacara nini mathe moguni kwitukira kigina giki gia thirikari kiria gitari na uritu kwamukira.
Huge number of Kenyans, about 10 million, had either been blacklisted by the credit reference bureaus, of inability to pay loans, advanced by financial technology platforms, or were struggling to pay.
Ihinda-ini riu President niagathiriirie kigina kia Hustler Fund haria andu kiumbe riu akiuga Kenya matanyihirie mirioni 20.2 nio makoretwo magikomba mbeca ici riu kigina kiria gikombetwo gigikinyiria ciringi bilioni 30.
To eliminate the financial cost, delay and bureaucracy entailed in complying, the facility employs the latest fintech powered by Kenyan Telecommunications Corporations.
Nigi ya Kenya milioni 7 ni magwetetwo gukorwo marumitie mutugo mwega wa gukomba na kuriha mbeca mahinda kwa mahinda. Riu mbeca ciothe irihitwo ari ciringi bilioni 19.7 hari bilioni 30 iria ikombetwo.
Kundi cha pili Mheshimiwa Rais ni
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV rĩtwa rakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.